Welcome to Outlaw Edge. So I want to thank one of our sponsors, and that's Wayne's Body Shop. And that's Paco and Veronica. Thanks, Kevin. And I already snuck in the box a little bit, but I haven't seen the goodies in there. Sweet. you know how many of those I use a day. Oh man.
Only
Damn, did you put enough tape on this stupid thing?
Well, he wanted to make you wait.
So you guys go check out Kevin's channel. He's got Ratwerx on YouTube. He doesn't do too many videos on there.
Yeah.
He also has Kroswede on Instagram, and he's got some really nice stuff on there. He's always posting on Instagram. And he has some badass cars that he's built. He goes to all the car shows with it. Man, if you ever put this much tape on something, I'm gonna murder you. This ain't right. This is something my mom would do. So we couldn't get into our Christmas presents. Holy,
That's
really?
awesome. You're gonna stab your hand.
That's all right. Let me do it the first time.
I'll link all Kevin's
Oh,
pages.
man. This is sweet. Damn, that is badass. Holy mackerel, look at this thing.
That's so cool. So
when he told me he got this and he sent me a picture and I was like, oh my gosh. And then he told me, oh, I'm gonna cut it up. I was like, the hell you are. I was all pissed off because I mean, this is a hard hammer to find, you know? And the cool part is I'll use this. I'll use it for metal shaping and all kinds of stuff. So, wow, that is cool. Thank you. Appreciate it, you guys. That's awesome. But go check out Kroswede on Instagram. And I want to thank all of our other sponsors too. But I appreciate you sending this to us. Thanks a lot, bro.
I'll put links in the description.
Sounds good.